Why would you spend $2.8 million for a townhome in Keystone? Think 5-minute walk to the gondola, your own personal hot tub, 2-car garage, and everything that River Run Village has to offer. Come tour this property with me today and see what incredible value that this townhome has to offer here in Keystone. My name is Anthony Soul with Live Sotheby's International Realty here in Keystone, Colorado. Guys, this property behind me, 96 Erickson Loop at the River Run Townhome Complex, is the closest townhome to Keystone and Arapahoe Basin. We're gonna start the tour today on the upper main living, so let's go check it out. All right, so starting on the main level living, the first thing that you're gonna notice as you walk through is that it is a very open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and a very mountain contemporary type of finish. These townhomes were built in 2018, so they are some of the newest townhomes available in Keystone. And as you walk around and check out the property, again, you'll notice all of the chic mountain finishes with the dark earthy tones and the granite, the alder cabinets. You've got these beautiful stainless steel appliances, wine cooler, microwave, dishwasher, and gas stove, which is pretty rare to get in Summit County. And then as we come over into the living room area, again, the open floor plan, very spacious, perfect for entertaining all of your guests. I can picture it now, just hanging out here after a long day of skiing, the fires roaring behind this beautiful Colorado Moss Rock Fireplace. And then you've got these incredible views of Keystone Mountain, the Peru Chairlift, and you can even get a little bit of the 10-mile range and Buffalo Mountain as well. So the main living joins right into the dining room area, and I know what you're thinking, does that stay? And it does. The property is coming fully furnished, as well as this awesome custom wooden table with the cowhide leather chairs. We have this really cool bar here that you can see yourself serving up cocktails for your friends and family. And then downstairs we have some more bedrooms as well as the hot tub, but we'll get to that in a minute. I just want to show you guys the master suite first. And as we come in here, you'll see the mountain contemporary finishes continue throughout. And you'll notice right behind me here is the gondola parking lot for River Run Village. And the benefit of that is that that parking is free. But what those people don't get and what you get is a 2-car garage plus 2 surface parking spaces, which is nearly impossible to find this close to Keystone. And it's gonna be a huge benefit when your friends and family come to ski in town. You're a 5-minute walk and you don't have to worry about all that nonsense. You got it right here. And then off to this side, we have got the master bathroom, again, with the dark textured tiles, beautiful granite countertop, vaulted ceilings, so it is very spacious, nice place to hang out and clean up after a long day of skiing. All right, so now on the outdoor deck right off of the main living, you're gonna notice there's a very spacious deck, perfect for hanging out with your friends and family and grilling out in the summer and winter, if you please. You've got views of the gondola and chairlift at the River Run base area, and then over towards the mountain house base area, you'll notice the Peru chairlift off in the background, and then you've got these incredible views of Keystone Mountain, basically most of the front side. So this is going to be one of the coolest places to hang out in this townhome. All right, so downstairs is where all the post-skiing action is gonna happen. We've got this beautiful hangout area with this giant sectional and gargantuan Samsung high-definition TV, perfect for the family to watch football games or whatever sports that you're into. And then as we get over here, we're gonna see the rest of the downstairs living. We've got the bathroom for the 2 bunk beds, and then we have got an ensuite off to the side here with its own bathroom. And the benefit of having all this living space, especially in these 2 bunk beds, we've got pull-out trundles, so you can sleep 4 people in each room. So think the entire extended family for Christmas vacation into New Year's. Everybody can stay here, which is really cool. And now we're gonna go check out the outdoor hot tub. All right, so now we're at the outdoor hot tub, and you can picture it right now after a long day of skiing with your families and friends. come in here, hang out as the snow is falling, and you get the lights from the village. I mean, literally right there, that yellow building is the start of the River Run Village in Keystone. And then off into the background, you've got the beautiful Keystone Mountain. And you gotta admit, this is gonna be one of the coolest hot tubs in all of Keystone, and definitely a place you're gonna wanna hang out in every single day. All right, so as I mentioned before, you can walk right to River Run Village from the townhome. One of the benefits that you get as being an owner in the Keystone Neighborhood Company is that you have access to this ice skating rink is for you. And then in the summertime, it is a mini golf course that you can use as well. You can see the Zamboni behind me, preparing the skating rink for all of your family and your kids to have a great time, even after a day of skiing, or if they're not into skiing, they can enjoy this all day. So another benefit of being an owner with the Keystone Neighborhood Company is that you have access to additional hot tubs and heated pool here at the Dakota Lodge, which again is just a short walk away from your townhome. Right now, these are under renovation, so they are doing some improvements to this. And in the meantime, you get access to the Keystone Lodge and Spa, but you will have access to this once it is all done. And again, beautiful views of Keystone Resort right from the hot tubs. All right, so now we are in the heart of the Keystone River Run Village. And as you can see, we got skiers and boarders coming off the mountain after an epic day of skiing. We have got restaurants, lodges, amenities, anything that you can really imagine you've got here, which is great for the family and friends if they want to come do some shopping, hang out, have a bite to eat. And then we also have access to the Keystone Ski Resort just down the walkway here, over 3,000 feet of vertical gain, as well as over 3,000 acres of skiable terrain. And Keystone also has downhill mountain biking in the summertime. So as you can see, tons of things to do here in Keystone Village. All right, so now just a 5-minute walk from the townhome, we've reached the gondola at Keystone. And obviously you can see how freaking awesome this is, being right at the base of the ski resort. Keystone as one of the coolest riding experiences in all of Summit County, and the only resort in Summit County to offer night skiing. And I know what you guys are thinking, all of these great things that come with this property. On top of that, you can also get a short-term rental license in Summit County. If you don't already know, you are limited on your ability to get a short-term rental license. So this condo townhome being right here by the gondola, having these awesome views of Keystone Mountain, you can start getting some revenue right off the gate. If you guys want to know all about this property and what it's like to own a townhome here in Keystone, feel free to give me a call or send me an email, and I'll be happy to show you guys what it's like to live in Keystone, Colorado.